Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee, and today we're going to do a quick video on this Livia 90 I've been working on for a while. It had came in originally for quite a few things. It was just kind of a beater machine, and so we're looking into the whole machine just from trying to get it to working properly. And so what we did on this machine is a complete tune-up on the machine. That includes descaling both the heat exchanger, the steam boiler, descaling both your hot water and your steam valve. You notice with this machine it doesn't actually have a steam wand. It's because they had originally took it off, and so it doesn't have one. But we still descaled it, and we did a lot of back flushing on this machine. This machine needed quite a bit of back flushing. Recommend going forward with this machine to back flush it often. Besides that, we also replaced a few things in the machine, starting with a water pump from 2005. And one, it was dead, but two, even if it wasn't dead, it is in really, really rough shape, as you can tell. Pretty bad. And to replace that, we put brand new knobs on here. As you can see, these knobs that are here and here. They originally were this, not the greatest, and this would, I would imagine, hurt to twist. And so we replaced those two with the brand new official ones. And then lastly, we did replace the solenoid valve that was on the right side of the machine here. That goes to your valve. But yeah, we replaced this also with a newer one. And yeah, that's all the work we did to this machine. So we're just gonna do a quick run of all the parts of the machine. Just quickly, we're just gonna test the water. See that it's coming out quite well off the front, as you can see. Now we're just going to quickly test the hot water. Pretty good. And you kind of can't really test the steam side, but I could just rev it a little bit just to show you. But yeah, so everything's working as intended. And that's about it for this video. If you liked the video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.